Everyone, this is DeRosa here. I wanted to do a quick video and wanted to kind of address a few things. People keep asking me, I go to all these events, I speak at all these events, and they always are asking me, where's the economy going? What do I think is happening in the economy? Are the prices going to continue to rise? Or are we going into a recession? Or are we transitioning into a buyer's market? And the answer is, I think yes, at least in part. One of the things we've been fortunate to have over the last several years is we've had a very booming real estate market. And we've seen that. We've been in a seller's market, and it makes it real easy for us to sell properties. It's difficult to buy sometimes because there's so much competition, but it becomes real easy to sell. Well, I do believe we're transitioning into more of a buyer's market now. So you're gonna see a shift. So one of the things that I'm doing this year, and in particular this coming Saturday, is I'm gonna do an event on deal structuring all day. All deals all day is what we called it. But it's creative deal structuring. And the reason I'm doing that is I think it's going to be more and more difficult for people to creatively buy and sell properties in the coming months. What I mean by that is right now it's harder to buy, but when you do buy, you can put lipstick on a pig and still sell the rehab top dollar and it flies off the shelf. Well, that's changing. We're seeing appraisals get challenged and appraisals aren't coming in as high. Debt to income is raising. Secondary markets are coming on board, and all the things we said we would never do from the last 2008 recession, guess what's happening? It's all coming back. So one of the challenges I think people are going to face is the fact that deals may be easier to find because there's going to be more deals, but it's going to be harder to sell. So one of the things that I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to creatively buy and creatively sell. So I'll show you on Saturday how to buy subject to. Then turn around and sell on owner finance, whether it be a wraparound mortgage, lease purchase, whatever the case is. So if you're not learning those techniques, how to buy creatively and how to sell creatively, I think you're going to be challenged in the upcoming year, 12 to 18 months, because the market's going to change. And everybody seems to want to wholesale, and that's a good strategy. But if you're not putting these other techniques into your arsenal, I think you're going to find that you're going to have a shortcoming. So I'm going to explain a little bit on Saturday all the different types of techniques, what a subject to is, what a wraparound mortgage is, option, agreement for deed if you choose to use those. And then we're going to show you how to creatively get rid of properties when you need that. So this is going to be one of the best events because not only am I going to do this and do all deals all day and structure them, I'm also going to give you, if you sign up on this video, I'm going to give you a course, actually 2 courses on creative deal structuring. They're each different. I'm going to give you 2 courses, values probably going to be somewhere around $1,400. I'm going to give you 2 courses for free just for signing up and attending Saturday. So click wherever Dustin has the link on there to sign up for Saturday, and I hope to see you there. Thanks. Bye.